My name is Juan. I go by John Rudy, and I've been an attorney for 4 years. I have the John Rudy Law Office. We practice pretty much all over the Rio Grande Valley. I do take cases outside of the valley from time to time. My office is located in Brownsville, but I do also, my home office is Los Fresnos, and I practice out of there quite a bit as well. Well, growing up, my parents and people I knew often needed attorneys, and they couldn't always afford them, and there was a lot of issues at times with the attorneys not contacting my parents, or I saw a lot of stuff that I didn't like, and I knew that attorneys were your voice in the court, right? And that's before the state, and that's when you have serious issues, right? So I decided that rather than rely on somebody else to be my attorney when I ended up in that situation, or for friends of mine, I decided just to become the attorney myself and to focus on being able to make sure that I was always there for my clients as best I could be, to be available for their questions, and to make sure that they understood what was going on. And also to make it affordable. I have payment plans I offer and stuff like that to make sure that my services are not out of reach. I think I'm really good at helping them understand the ins and outs of all the procedures that are involved in their cases and exactly what's going on. Because a lot of times people get called to court, they don't really understand what's happening. So I think that myself and my little team are pretty good at making sure that clients understand what's going on, breaking it down so that it's something that just about anybody can understand, and helping them digest, I guess, so to speak, the scenario. And of course, by doing that, they're better able to serve themselves in terms of what it is they really want. So I pride myself in making sure that everybody understands what's going on and that their desires can be heard. I often consider my practice to be, my slogan is the voice for the voiceless, trying to help out people who otherwise wouldn't know what they're doing. I would say my biggest strength as an attorney is being there for the client's desires. Making sure that their wishes are being fulfilled. And because I do know, I've been practicing for 4 years, so it's not a whole lot of time, but during those 4 years, I've really gotten to know the other attorneys in the region, the judges, the court staff. So I'm really able to navigate the waters better than somebody who doesn't know those people, because a lot of times the situations might come up. For example, maybe a client can't make a hearing, or a motion needs to be filed really quickly. And by knowing the people that are involved, it's a lot easier, or should I say smoother, to make sure your desires are met. And because I've done my best to be cordial in my practice and always make sure that I'm on good terms with everybody, I feel that I'm better able to do that than some other people. Predominantly going back to my slogan, being the voice of the voiceless, my ultimate desire as an attorney is to make sure that their needs are met. And a lot of times I feel like justice for your average person is a little bit difficult to reach. And my goal in my office is to make sure that everybody can attain justice.